channel. Today I'm here with my friend Brianna and Santos. And today we are headed to Guadalajara. And Santos is going to be getting his RFC. Santos, can you tell everybody, first of all, what is an RFC?
RFC is a Federal Taxpayer Registry. It has a Registro Federal de Contribuyentes.
And Santos, why are you getting an RFC?
Basically, it's for me to pay taxes and get it for my job, open up a bank account.
What items does someone need to bring with them to get an RFC?
They need their birth certificate, their INE, and then a USB.
And they need the proof of address and the code.
All right. Very good. And what is the USB for?
It is so they can download information onto it so I can go back on there online and do some editing if I need to down the line.
What else is the USB used for?
It is used for change of information, such as changing your address.
So we are waiting for Santos to finish up at the SAT office, and while we're waiting, we're at this beautiful park in Guadalajara, and I'm here with Amy, and you may remember Amy from some other videos that we've done together on the channel.
You can't do it. Yes, you can. You're going to do it.
Yeah. And Amy has already gotten her RFC before. So Amy, what are some things that you think that people should know about when they're thinking about getting an RFC and getting all that stuff together?
So when I got my RFC, it was 11 years ago, and I don't remember a lot about the process at that time, but something that did change since then is needing to get what they call an e-firma, which is an electronic signature. When I got my RFC, that was not yet available, and so when I moved to the area, I learned that I would need to change my address with the SAT office. And to do that, I needed an e-firma, an electronic signature. So I had to make an appointment, come here to Guadalajara with a USB, and they would put some information on there so that whenever I need to change my address from here on out, I don't have to come in person anymore. I can just plug it into my computer at home, log into their website, and do whatever changes I need to do there.
Great. And how long did it take you to get your RFC? Was it the same day, or did you have to come back? Do you remember?
I'm pretty sure that it was the same day, and the e-firma process was also very quick. I think I was in and out of there in under an hour. It was seamless. They showed me everything that I needed to do, and yeah, it was not difficult at all.
That's great. Thank you. So we are at the Japanese Gardens right now in Guadalajara while we wait for Santos to finish up at the SAT office. So I thought I'd show you guys around this park. It's very peaceful here, besides that weed whacker. So this is it. It is so green here. Just look at all the trees and bushes.
2,000 years later.
So we are still waiting for Santos at the park, and I'm here with his wife Brianna, and this is Brianna's first time in Mexico. So Brianna, how are you liking it so far?
I love it. It's definitely been an adjustment period. Been here a month and a half. Adjusting to missing families, a different life here, but adjusting to the culture, the food, the language. It's been a pretty good experience so far. I'm loving it.
Excellent, great. And this is also Brianna's first time in Guadalajara. How exciting!
Crazy driving.
Yeah. If you're coming from the Lake Chapala area, it could take you over an hour to get to Guadalajara. What would you say, Brianna, what were your first impressions of Mexico when you came here?
Well, coming from the US, it's a very different pace of life here. It's a bit slower, I feel like, here. And so I enjoy that aspect of it.
And how are you liking the food?
I am continually trying new things. I'm an American, so
You like the tacos?
yes, I like tacos though. So I'm trying new things, trying to be adventurous and just enjoy what people like.
Yeah. If you guys are located in the United States, I can't really speak too much about you Canadians that are watching, but the tacos in Mexico are maybe different than what you're used to. Have you noticed that, Brianna?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Even like the Mexican restaurants at home, they're very Americanized. Very
Yeah.
different from authentic Mexican food.
Can you tell everybody, where are you from in the U.S.?
We are from Illinois, a couple hours south of Chicago, in like
Okay.
the middle of nowhere, cornfields.
Okay.
Yes.
And so before you came to Mexico, you mentioned you had tried Mexican food.
Oh yeah. Lots of Mexican restaurants, but again, very Americanized, and so it doesn't compare to the food here.
Exactly. Did you have much experience with the Mexican culture before coming here?
Honestly, not really, not at all. I learned a few things here and there, but it was all pretty new to me. It's a bit of a culture shock a little bit, but it's been fun to learn and to adapt to that.
Definitely. There's definitely a learning curve when you're coming here. And I know myself, being in New York, I did not have like really any experience, hardly any experience with Mexicans or anything Mexican food, maybe Taco Bell.
Crunch wrap with double the seasoned beef, a crunchy taco.
Then I learned that wasn't Mexican food, and then that was like, okay. So yeah, it's different here. Just wanted to show you guys some more views of this park over here. I highly recommend this park if you guys are in the Guadalajara area, or if you're in the Lake Chapala area. You can come and check this out. You will see many squirrels here. Look at this one right here. It's got something. When you come here, you can forget that you're even in a city. It's like another world. So guys, if you like this content and you appreciate it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would really help us out on this channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the little tour of the garden. Santos is done getting his RFC, and we are going to head over there. We are going to go pick him up at the SAT office. Santos, how'd it go in there?
Man, my first just nervous. I had a whole neck ache and everything. I thought they were gonna be I knew it was gonna happen. They was talking too fast. I'm like, huh? Say that again. But I told them I'm sorry for my Spanish. I don't know much. I just got here. Oh, no problem. But I thought I was gonna get like a physical thing, but no physical thing. Just
No, they use the flash.
No, flash
Yeah.
drive.
Did they put it on there, the firma?
yeah.
Great.
'Cause they didn't tell me to come back, so
Fantastic.
So did you have to talk to multiple people, or was it just one person?
Just two people.
Okay.
The one that starts the paperwork, and the another one that finishes.
Excellent. And how long did the whole thing take you?
I would say like an hour and 45 minutes.
Okay.
All right, choker.
We got it! Yay! So as you guys saw, Santos got his RFC. It wasn't a physical copy, but it was a digital copy. Now you may be wondering, why didn't we all just go into the office or into the building with Santos? Well, that's because they were told only the person with the appointment is allowed in the SAT office, and so we weren't allowed in. So keep this in mind. And I just wanted to preface this as a disclaimer that in Mexico, things are relative, meaning that every office and every person in Mexico may handle things differently. This is not just about the SAT office, this is about other offices as well in Mexico. And you may get told one thing in one place or by one person, and then in another state or another person, they may tell you something different. So again, these are just general guidelines for you guys. I am curious though, if you have already gotten your RFC, were you told that only the person with the appointment was allowed to go in? Were you allowed to bring your family, your spouse, or your children with you? Let us know in the comments. You may be wondering now, how do I go about making an appointment to get the RFC? You should use the official SAT or SAT website, which I'll put down below, and you can go and make your appointment. What happened with Santos was that they went online and they saw that it was all booked. And so Amy, she had a friend, her tax friend, help Santos to be able to get an appointment sooner. So it is good to know people, especially because these things do happen where places do get booked and it can be hard to get an appointment. So just keep that in mind as well. Another thing that you guys should keep in mind is to make sure that you have all of your documents with you. Mexico, I've noticed, is very particular about their documents. So make sure that you have everything, that you don't forget one thing. If you forget something, you will very likely have to go back and reschedule. And that can be frustrating. That can be very annoying, especially if you don't live near the SAT office. It may be a trip for you to go. It may be a journey.
Yeah, yeah, bird, yeah, mockingbird, don't everybody have you heard?
So make sure that you have everything. Make sure that you have your proof of address recently, that it's within 3 months. You do not want to use a very old electric bill, a very old water bill that's over 3 months old. Use a recent one. They were telling me, Brianna and Santos were telling me, you don't need an original birth certificate. Now keep this in mind. Maybe if you go somewhere else, maybe you'll get told something different. Remember that. But in their case, they did not need to bring an original birth certificate. I was speaking with Brianna and Santos, and they were telling me that you don't need to bring the original birth certificate. You need to bring a recent copy. And I would suggest everybody that, as a precaution, that you bring a recent certified copy, because I was reading that you do need a recent certified copy. And again, like I said before, everywhere may be different. You may get told something different. So just check with the one that you're planning on going with. So I want to hear from you guys. Do you have an RFC? How was the process? So I want to hear from you guys. Do you have an RFC? And how was the process for you? Did they ask you to bring different documents? Did you get a physical RFC? Or did you, like Santos, get a digital one? And also, were you able to take anybody with you? And did you run into any challenges along the way? Also, make sure that you also have an email with you that you can give to the office. That's important as well. And so, guys, in closing, as you can see, it may be difficult, it may be a bit of a struggle to get the appointment and to bring everything and to make the trip, but it's worth it, because with that RFC, you're going to be able to open a bank account, be able to get a job, be able to pay taxes in Mexico. You're going to be able to have a life. And so that's really important. Something worth mentioning is that Santos is a Mexican citizen, but if you are going as a temporary or permanent resident trying to get your RFC, you need to bring a valid resident card. Bring your residency card to prove your legal status when you go in to get your RFC. Mexicans, bring your INE card or your Mexican passport. And so what this tax friend did, she says, when there's no appointments, join a virtual queue. And once there is availability, you'll be notified by email. You confirm it, and that's it. Let me know if that's happened to you, where it says that there's no appointments available. Did you join the queue? Let me know how it goes. And thank you guys for watching, as always. And I'll see you in the next video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.